Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Marketo to sync leads with Salesforce opportunities. Complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Marketo account. Navigate to the admin section found in the top menu. Under the integration tab, select Salesforce. Click on the Salesforce option to access the settings. Ensure that your Salesforce account is connected. Next, check the sync status between Marketo and Salesforce. If the connection is not established, follow the prompts to authenticate your Salesforce account. Once connected, return to the Salesforce section in Marketo. Locate the lead sync settings. Here, you will find options for syncing leads with Salesforce. Make sure the box for syncing leads to Salesforce is checked. Now, go to the field mapping section. Review the field mappings to ensure all necessary fields are aligned. You may need to customize the fields according to your business requirements. Next, navigate to the Opportunity Sync settings. Enable the option for syncing leads with Salesforce opportunities. This feature allows leads to be converted into opportunities automatically. Save your changes to the settings. Now, set up the criteria for when a lead should be converted into an opportunity. You can define specific conditions based on lead scores, lifecycle stages, or other metrics. After configuring the criteria, save your settings again. To test the integration, create a test lead in Marketo. Ensure the test lead meets the criteria you established. Watch for the lead to sync with Salesforce. After a short period, check Salesforce to confirm the lead has been converted to an opportunity. If the sync is successful, you will see the newly created opportunity in Salesforce. If you encounter any issues, revisit the sync settings to troubleshoot any discrepancies. Once everything is functioning correctly, your Marketo and Salesforce integration is complete. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.